Alright, let's do an update on FIDA. So in the last video we outlined a few things. We said number one, we've obviously broken above this key trend line, so you could argue macro term that this coin is still bullish, but if we do pop over to the 4-hourly on this chart over here on the Coinbase, we also said we have this bull pennant here, and as long as we stay above this resistance, then it is possible that we could break out. Obviously we can get rid of this now because we have broken below it. And I also did outline, kind of worst bullish case scenario would be something like this, where we backtest the 618, and if we do lose the 618, I said we obviously wouldn't be able to pump above. And you can see here the 618 is at 280, and we've basically fallen right through it. So let's see what to look for now. Now I'm going to pop off this chart simply because the Coinbase chart is very, very small and doesn't have too much data, but you can see the RSI got way too extended, way too fast, came all the way up to 84, and it is now heading right back down like a rock. So I personally don't see the 786 holding. On the Coinbase chart, it does look like we're probably going to backtest the 210 here, but let's do our analysis based on this slightly bigger chart. So sorry, this is the wrong one. So if we come over to FIDA against the USD on this chart, you can see, okay, that would kind of line up with the other chart. So I think something like this is very likely. I'm going to be keeping my eyes on this level about 175. I do see us backtesting that, unfortunately, which is, another 30% drop from where we are now. There's so much selling volume coming in. Yesterday there was obviously a huge red candle, and volume is indicative of price. We are having more selling volume coming in today. The RSI strongly got rejected just below the 70 and is now heading down, so it's likely, even in a slightly bullish case scenario, we backtest the previous RSI low at 43, which would probably mean we're coming back down another 30% to this level. So there's really no micro fibs I can draw. I'm pretty sure if I draw from here to here, okay, so this, we do have another 618, so if you did want to argue this, but I don't really like this too much, because I mean we did kind of break up, break down, and we've been going sideways from there. So in my opinion, if I was to draw a micro fib, I would draw it from the start of the bullish trend in the micro period, and for that you can see that we have fallen through the 618. I do believe that we're going to come all the way back down to 170, which, like I said, is another 30% drop from where we are now. So let's see on the weekly if there's anything different. We get rid of this. On the weekly, it's a slightly different story. So on the weekly there is more green volume stepping in, but obviously these are higher time frames. So on the daily we could break bearish before heading up bullish, which is something that I'm kind of keeping my eyes on. On the monthly as well, there's a okay amount of volume coming in, and obviously we are still in a green candle above this trend line. So all in all, keep an eye on the daily. We've obviously lost the 618, and we've lost that bullish pennant that we were talking about. So the next level down for this, in my opinion, it's coming straight down to the 165. Also, if we check out Bitcoin, you can see that Bitcoin is doing a similar move, where it looks like it's backtesting this low here. Now it is very likely that Bitcoin is going to dump today and tomorrow just to retest this red trend line. I see a lot of other altcoins are similarly set up, where they've kind of broken out of a huge trend line. They could do something like this, backtest, and head off to the races when the Super Bowl news comes out. But yeah, I mean, FIDA, in my opinion, just in the short term, I'm not really seeing it. I don't think this is bullish. In my opinion, this does look very bearish to me, and it does look like it's falling like a rock. So my next target for this coin is 177. That's really all I've got to share with you guys today. So once again, thanks for watching my channel. None of this is financial advice, and it's just my opinion on the market. Peace.